Hello students, today we will learn about the next chapter, molecular basis of inheritance. Today the topic is DNA replication. DNA replication. DNA replication or duplication. What are the DNA replication or duplication? We all know the copies word. In daily life, we used various copies of books and other things which are obtained from the photocopy machine. So here in our body, the DNA multiply or increase their number by the specific process known as DNA duplication. The definition of duplication is in this process, the new DNA forms from the old DNA. Means पुराने DNA से नए DNA के बनने के प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? DNA डुप्लीकेशन और रिप्लीकेशन. DNA duplication is known as the semi-conservative. DNA duplication is known as the semi-conservative. Why DNA duplication is called semi-conservative? Because the new DNA which forms during the process of duplication or replication composed of one new strand and one old strand. Okay? Means the new DNA composed of 50% of the old strand DNA parts and 50% new strands. So it is known as the process of DNA is the semi-conservative. The process of DNA is semi-conservative. The structure of DNA, the formation of process here, new DNA, so this part is the new DNA, so new DNA, we observe that the new DNA, the one strands which are continuous, this is the old strand and this is the new strand. So it is known as the semi-conservative. So it is known as the semi-conservative. Experimental proof of DNA duplication is semi-conservative. Two scientists, Matthew Michelson and Sethel, proved that DNA duplication is the semi-conservative. For these experiments, they used 15 ammonium chlorides and cesium chlorides. In the first steps, they used 15 NH4Cl for the culturing of E. coli bacteria. After some times or 20 minutes interval, they observed that the new DNA of the E. coli bacteria containing one strand composed of 15N. After some times they use 14N or 14NH4Cl ammonium chlorides in the culture, and next 20 minutes they observe that the new DNA composed of hybrid DNA strands, one strand composed of 15N and one strand composed of 14N. This is the proof that DNA duplication is semi-conservative. Okay. Process of DNA duplication. Process of DNA duplication. Process of DNA duplication. How DNA duplication takes place in the organism bodies or in the cells. Various enzymes are required for the completion of the process of DNA duplication, that is DNA ligase, DNA polymerase. So during the process of duplication, a specific enzyme DNA polymerase is released, and this enzymes breaks the or open the base pairs of the DNA. It opens 2000 base pairs per second. 2000 base pairs per second. In DNA helix, the specific region where the chains are open, a Y-shaped structure is formed. A Y-shaped structure is formed. Y-shaped structure is formed, and this structure is known as replication fork. The place or part of DNA helix where the polymerization takes place or opening of strand takes place is known as replication fork. Replication fork. So these DNA polymerase enzyme open the chain of the DNA strands, and when the chains are open, a specific enzyme DNA ligase are released. DNA ligase enzymes is released, and these enzymes rejoin the nucleotides of the polypeptide chains, and the formation of chain takes place two methods, continuous and discontinuous. The continuous strands and this is the discontinuous strands. Discontinuous strands. Discontinuous strands. The polarity of continuous strand is 5 to 3, whereas the polarity of discontinuous strand is the 3 to 5. The small stretches of DNA are nucleotides known as Okazaki fragments. Now, what are the Okazaki fragments? It is the small stretches of DNA which form a discontinuous strands. Okay. So this is the process of DNA duplication or replication. कौन कौन से एंजाइम इसमें इन्वॉल्व हुए? मेनली 2 एंजाइम्स, डीएनए पॉलीमरेज एंड डीएनए लाइगेज. डीएनए पॉलीमरेज का वर्क क्या है? इट ओपन्स द चेन, वेयर्स डीएनए लाइगेज का वर्क क्या है? द ओपन चेन्स न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स रीज्वाइंट्स, फिर से उसको ज्वाइंट करता है और जिससे न्यू स्ट्रैंड्स का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है और एक नया डीएनए बन जाता है. तो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डीएनए डुप्लीकेशन.